Wish you a very very happy new year. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna and it would mean a lot to me if you could take a minute and subscribe to my channel below. So guys, we're going to see 12 things, 12 goals that we all can totally achieve in 2021. You can either do one of them or all 12 of them, but I'm sure by doing them your year will be happier and healthier. So number 1, it can be to start a creative hobby. Art is known to be therapeutic and we can get back to dancing, singing. Number 2 can be to give up a bad habit. Now habits that can literally kill you to habits which are just petty ones. I think 2021 is a good year to give them up. Number 3 will be, guys, I encourage everybody, whatever your age is, to start investing or save an amount if you're a college student. Number 4, declutter social media apps. Any apps that you literally don't use, just declutter them like you declutter your wardrobe. Go ahead and do that at the beginning of the year so that your rest of the year will be positive. Number 5 could be to reach out to your old friends. I think it's the best time, any time of the year, that you just pick up your phone and call your old friend, the friends that you've been disconnected from. I think it would be great if this year could start on that. It'll make it happier. Number 6 can be to go ahead and explore and travel. I think 2021 is going to be our year to travel. So just do that. It can be anywhere, near, far. I think traveling will just make everything so refreshing. Number 7 can be to do an act of kindness. Guys, kindness is inexpensive and it's the most beautiful thing ever. I think we all should start being more kind. It can be literally anything, like helping someone in need, planning some birthday party, or just doing something special for somebody. I think kindness is just so beautiful. Number 8 can be to make time for yourself. Me time is something that I cannot stress enough about, because guys, it feels so good to spend time with yourself, to pamper yourself. So do some skincare, self-care, indulge in a mask once in a while. So do that in 2021. Number 9 can be to read more. Now reading is literally so important and so beneficial. I think we should start from basics. Go for comic books or newspaper or a novel, or just go ahead and read more in 2021. Number 10, guys, is to develop healthy habits. Healthy habits can be all that we talk about in our resolutions, that is fitness, drink more water, go for some sports activities. Number 11, guys, can be to parent a plant. We can all go ahead and either buy plants, or if you have some seeds at home, go ahead and just plant them. It's so good for the environment. Even if you live in places where there's greenery around you, it's just very refreshing and nice, and that will make your 2021 even more happier, I believe. And also it's very nice to go ahead and adopt a pet, parent a pet. So the 12th and final thing that we've come up to is that, guys, invest in a planner. Planner will help you to keep a track of everything that you want to do throughout the year, and go ahead and buy yourself a planner. So this is it for the video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Wish you a very very happy new year. May this year be amazing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Until next time, bye guys. I'm walking because we've got to move ahead in 2021, guys. So if you like this video, you know who it's shot by. It's shot by Sanika.
मैं इतनी सुंदर ही तो
आप ही बताओ, क्या करूं? सब्सक्राइब करो।